Used by several VFX houses and in multiple award-winning movies, Golaem has become one of the industry standard crowd simulation tools for creating realistic and behavior-driven crowd systems. Launched in 2011 by a French-based company and used in an assortment of movies and shows like Aquaman, The Lost Kingdom, Pirates of the Caribbean, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Mutant Mayhem, The Mandalorian, and so on. As Golaem specializes in creating advanced animations with interesting VFX tools. With a particular focus on crowd simulation, this tool was created to rival other industry standard tools, which includes Massive. And Massive, like we all know, was developed by the folks at Weta and has been used in several movies alike. And today we have some interesting announcements from the folks at Autodesk, as Golaem is now part of the Autodesk family. And for those who would like to know what tool that this currently is being used in, it is actually fully integrated with Maya and has a huge set of tool sets that you can use to create crowd simulations easily. And if you go over to Golaem's website and you simply go over to the news section, you would find that right here as the first news. Right here it went on to mention, we are thrilled to share that Autodesk has acquired key intellectual property IP and the team from Golaem. As of today, nothing changes. Our developers and support teams are still there and committed to supporting you and your project. We understand that with Golaem's acquired team, Autodesk will work towards integrating Golaem's key intellectual property into Autodesk's current product offering. Autodesk has acquired Golaem's key IP, and as such, how we offer licenses has changed. And if you'd like to find out more details about these or academic licenses, then you might want to contact them via this email. There's also a couple of things that they get to mention about the future of Golaem, and they're also looking at the next chapter, as they went on to say that this marks the new chapter in our journey for Golaem and the team. This has been an incredible ride, taking technology out of research lab and turning them into acclaimed or two-time Emmy award-winning VFX and animation software. And with this, it all makes sense. This makes a lot of sense for me because with the full and wonderful integration with Maya, I do believe that just like with most tools that have been bought and integrated into Maya, with some key examples like Unfold 3D, which is really good for doing all of that UV stuff you want to do in Maya, the acquisition of Now, which gave rise to Bifrost Simulation, which is also an amazing tool to have inside of Maya, Arnold, which now ships with Maya totally for free, and a couple of other interesting tools that have been bought by the folks at Autodesk and integrated into Maya, makes this a wonderful inclusion to the suite. For Maya users, Golaem will most likely be an official out-of-the-box crowd simulation tool for many creators to work with rather than relying on other DCC tools. And of course, if you like to see some cool tools that you can also use to create nice looking crowd simulation, we're also going to go ahead and link some of these ones in the description so you can do well to check it out. So this is it. Golaem is now officially part of Autodesk, and it will be quite interesting to see what the future holds for this moving forward. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and of course if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like and don't forget to share with a friend. And I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.